I'm Adam Batty.
I'm Quinn Riley.
I'm Noah Raymond.
To start off, we're going to recap on the Sanford-Raleigh tornado of 2011. This was one of the largest of several tornadoes on April 16, 2011. It was one of 9 in the Raleigh County warning area. It was extremely destructive, and that is the primary reason we have chosen to focus on it.
According to an article by NC State University, this was the first use of the tornado emergency in the Raleigh County warning area. The Sanford-Raleigh tornado was an EF3 tornado and traveled more than 55 miles.
This storm formed due to updrafts in warm air and downdrafts in cold air, forming a cyclone.
This tornado produced well over $172 million in damage alone and killed 8 people in the Raleigh County warning area and injured well over 100.
This tornado affected many families, as it destroyed homes, which left the residents wondering what to do next, and neighbors who didn't have their house destroyed and to figure out how to help others.
In the event of a tornado, you should take shelter somewhere underground or in a place where your body is at a lower center of gravity, or a central part of your house where there is no windows.
If you are outside, head to a lower zone in the ground, such as a ditch, and lie there. Stay away from buildings, trees, and do not hide in your car, as it could get blown away if winds are higher than 70 miles per hour, slower if the wind is hitting the side of the car, where there's more surface area.
During a tornado, the air is going in circular motion, and the dew point is slowly moving in the direction of the wind.
This tornado in Sanford, North Carolina, is similar to the tornado outbreak in the Carolinas in March of 1984, which was the largest, most devastating tornado outbreak to affect North and South Carolina. In the last century, starting on March 28, 1984, the outbreak produced 22 tornadoes and killed 57 people, including 42 citizens of North Carolina and 15 citizens of South Carolina, and injured another 800. Roughly a third of the victims were in mobile homes.
Now above, as you can see where the pictures are, this is damage that an F3
Now, on with your day forecast.
As we turn to Tuesday, we see that the forecast has clear skies with a high of 66 and a low of 42, and winds moving northeast at 4 to 5 miles an hour. Enjoy the outside while it lasts, because Wednesday's forecast looks overcast with light and variable winds, with a high of 67 and a low of 45. Finally, Thursday's forecast includes scattered clouds with winds moving northeast at 2 to 4 miles an hour, a high of 67 and a low of 43. There's a small chance of rain later that afternoon, so pack an umbrella just in case. The main reason for the nighttime temperatures being so low this week is due to daytime heating, which essentially is the ground heating faster, making the air above it heat faster and rise, allowing cooler air from the oceans and other bodies of water to sweep in. As you can see on our weather surface map, we have high pressure zones all across the United States, the low pressure zone in the Gulf of Mexico. We also have 2 cold fronts moving across the United States from west to east, one moving southeast, from Minnesota towards North Carolina. The high pressure zones scattered across the U.S. and Sanford are keeping the temperatures warm and dry, but the low pressure systems that are approaching will lead to wetter conditions and the pushing away of the higher pressure systems. Here's a look at our radar for Thursday. It shows some precipitation moving through Raleigh, with a high concentration of precipitation stretching from Sanford to Fayetteville. This appears to be the storm that we noticed and predicted that would pass through on Tuesday.